Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to AC Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest tip and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. The Umlando hitmaker slash performer recently trended for fainting while on stage at a gig, you guys. In the video, he's seen performing and all of a sudden faints, and someone started pouring him with water to wake him up, you guys. His fans and people across social media were worried and asked if he's okay. Well, the Umlando guy is now well and had this to say to his fans to assure that he's okay.
It's Feruzi. I'm just here to address in Zolo. I fainted on stage due to fatigue, yabo. So ngifuna nje ngicabanga ukuthi ngikrend. Ngibonile there's a video on Twitter already that's moving. So ngifuna nazi ukuthi ngimnandi, and I appreciate the love, I appreciate all the positive energies that you guys are sending to me. I appreciate everything. So ngifuna nazi ukuthi ngikrend ngimnandi. I'll come back stronger, you know. So yeah, and I wanted to apologize to the promoter for everything that happened. I hope the show went well afterwards. So yeah, shall fade bafethu. Ngiyabonga blind full time.